In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to update your Warmli.Chat profile and choose exactly what people see when they scan your e-business card. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be showing how it looks on a computer, but it's also optimized for your phone, and Warmli.Chat is designed to work on any internet-connected device. First, go to the upper right corner of your screen and click your personal menu. From here, you can get to your profile, see your gamification badges, adjust notification and system settings, and even import connections from Google or iCloud. Next, select Profile. This takes you to your main profile screen. You'll see a few sections here. Basic information, where you set your name, company, job title, bio, and address, and your gamification highlights, where your badges and milestones live. For now, make sure your general section is filled out with your name and any other details. You'll be able to pick and choose what you want to put into the e-business card later, but for now, it's best to populate as much as you can. Now, click the Contact Information menu option. This is where you can add the email addresses and phone numbers you want Warmli to keep on file for you. Again, there's no harm in providing information here, even if you don't want it shared in your e-business card. You'll have the option to limit this in a few moments when we build out your card. Next, select the Social Media menu option. Here you can add links to your Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and any other websites you'd like to share. Remember, you don't have to fill in everything. Warmli lets you decide how much you share. But the more complete your profile is, the easier it is later to discover shared interests and stay connected. Once you've updated all your details, click Save. Now this is where the magic happens. Here, you can choose which fields appear when someone scans your Warmli.Chat e-business card and how they should look. You can decide what to keep private and adjust how your e-business card looks when someone scans it. You can also do things like adjust the button size and appearance, provide your headshot image, and adjust the background with an image you already have handy, or find a high-quality stock image of your choosing through our integrations with Pexels. You can adjust your settings to your heart's content and make sure it matches your personality and needs. Share only the information you want people to see. Leave off anything you'd rather keep to yourself, and preview how your card will appear. Once you're done, just click the Save Primary Card button on the bottom of the page, and you're ready to start letting people scan your card.